Hello, welcome to Microsoft Azure Cloud Channel. In this module, we will talk about Terraform with Azure. What is Terraform with Azure? And we will discuss about automate infrastructure management and understand infrastructure changes before being applied. I will log into Azure Cloud Shell. I will show you how to create a configuration file and initiate Terraform and execute the configuration file. We will create a resource group using Terraform. Terraform with Azure. Terraform is an open source tool for provisioning and managing cloud infrastructure. It codifies infrastructure in configuration files that describe the topology of cloud resources. These resources include virtual machines, storage accounts, and networking interfaces. The Terraform command line interface provides a simple mechanism to deploy and version the configuration files to Azure. Let's talk about automate infrastructure management. Terraform's template-based configuration files enable you to define, provision, and configure Azure resources in a repeatable and predictable manner. Automating infrastructure has several benefits. It lowers the potential for human errors while deploying and managing infrastructure. It deploys the same template multiple times to create identical environment like development, test, and production environments. It reduces the cost of development and test environments by creating them on demand. Understand infrastructure changes before being applied. As a resource topology becomes complex, understand the meaning and impact of infrastructure changes can be difficult. The Terraform command line interface enables users to validate and preview infrastructure changes before application. Previewing infrastructure changes in a safe manner has several benefits. It helps team members can collaborate more effectively by quickly understanding proposed changes and their impact. And it helps unintended changes can be caught early in the development process. I will log into Cloud Shell. I will create a configuration file and I will show you how to execute the configuration file using Terraform. I'm in the Azure portal. I will open Cloud Shell. Let's create storage. We need storage account to use Azure Cloud Shell. It takes a few minutes to get ready. Now my Cloud Shell is ready. Now I will create a directory. I will create a directory to hold Terraform files. Make directory. My directory name quick start Terraform test. Enter. Now the directory is created. I will go to this directory, cd, and enter the directory name. Now I'm in quick start Terraform test directory. Now I will use editor to create a Terraform configuration file. We need to say core space quick start terraform test.tf. This is my configuration file. So when we enter, then we will be able to see the editor. So now we are in the editor. Now we need to enter the HCL HCL syntax. HCL means HashiCorp configuration language. So here go to, I have the code is ready. I will just paste it here. So this is provider Azure RM. So let me explain. The provider block specify that the Azure provider is used, that is Azure RM. Within the Azure RM provider block, version and features attributes are set. The only resource declaration is for a resource type of Azure RM resource group. The two required arguments for Azure resource group are name and location. Now here we see the name Quick Start Terraform Test RG. This is our resource group name, and the location we are creating this resource group in East US. So you can hit either Control S to save this file, or you can go to the right side. You can see more. Click on it, and then save this configuration file, and click on more again, and then close editor. Now we saved this configuration file. Quick start terraform test.tf configuration file. So we saved it. Now we will create and apply a Terraform execution plan. I will initialize the Terraform deployment with Terraform initiator. So to initiate Terraform, we need to say Terraform init. That means Terraform initiation. I'm initiating Terraform to execute my configuration file. We can execute the plan with Terraform apply. Just say Terraform. I just want to give you idea on this Terraform apply. Now we will create a resource group, that is Quick Start Terraform Test resource group. So here, when we say Terraform apply, we need to say S, enter. Now the resource group is created. So here you can see that apply complete, resources 1 added, 0 change, 0 destroy. The destroy means we are deleting, and change means we're updating, and added means we are creating. So we just created a resource group using Terraform configuration file. So here we can see that the location East US and provision stay succeed. So if the configuration file executed successful, then AG group show displays various properties of the newly created resource group. Let's talk about persist and execution plan for later deployment. For more complex scenarios, we can persist the execution plan to a file. We can apply that execution plan. So I will show you how to initiate the Terraform. We can use the same command, Terraform initiating, and then run Terraform plan with with the parameter -out parameter, and then we will run Terraform apply specifying the name of the file from the previous step. So let me initiate the Terraform. You just need to say Terraform initiate init. It will initiate Terraform. Now I will run Terraform plan with the parameter that -out parameter. Let's say Terraform plan -out. Then our configuration file quick start Terraform test.tf plan. And then we will run Terraform apply, specifying the name of the file from the previous step. We will just say Terraform apply quick start Terraform test.tf plan. So 0 added, 0 change, 0 destroy. So far we created a configuration file, then we initiated Terraform, and then we executed that configuration file using Terraform apply. And now we created the resource group. Now if you want to delete the resource group, we can just use Terraform destroy. I'll show you how to delete the resource group. We just have to say Terraform destroy. Now Terraform shows that what will happen if you reverse execution plan and requires you to confirm. So we have to confirm entering S and press enter the key. So here we are confirming S and hit enter. Once we confirm the execution of play, the output is similar to the previous example. So let's see if the resource group was deleted by using az group command. I will just enter az group show and the resource group name, quick start Terraform test -rg. So it is still in progress. So here we can see it, Azure resource group.rg destroying. And here we can see the progress still destroying. And then we can see that time 10 seconds elapsed. Every 10 seconds we get the notification. Now at the end of it, we can see destruction complete after 45 seconds. Here we can see the time elapsed. And destroy completed, resource 1 destroyed. That means one resource group is deleted. So I will enter az group command and make sure if this resource group is deleted. Now we can see resource group quick start Terraform test -rg could not be found. That means this resource group is deleted. So this is how in this module we covered so far how to what is Terraform with Azure, and we talked about automate infrastructure management, and we logged into Azure Cloud Shell and created configuration file, initiated Terraform, and executed the configuration file. Means we created resource group and we deleted resource group using Terraform destroy command. If you have any questions on Terraform, please post it in the comment section. If you like this video, please subscribe and share the channel. Thank you.